You think God is done with you because of what you did, because of how far you fell, because of the mistakes you can't undo. But listen carefully. That is not the voice of Jesus. Jesus still loves you, even after this. Not the perfect version of you, not the version you show people online, not the version that has it all together. He loves the real you, the broken you, the ashamed you, the one who's trying to hide right now. The Bible says in Romans 5:8, while we were still sinners, Christ died for us. That means He didn't wait for you to fix yourself first. He loved you at your worst, not your best. So what you did doesn't surprise Him, and it doesn't cancel His love. You may have fallen, but you didn't fall beyond His reach. There is no sin too deep that His grace cannot go deeper. No mistake too big that His mercy cannot cover. No life too broken that He cannot restore. So stop running from Him. Stop hiding in shame. Because the same Jesus who saw your failure is the same Jesus who still says, "Come to me." You are not rejected. You are not finished. You are not forgotten. Jesus still loves you, even after this.